Today we're going to the whare kararehe, or zoo. This is the tomokanga, or entrance. The first takanga, or enclosure, are the lions, or raiona. Hoake, let's go. The second animal is the kakiroa, or long necks. Yep, you guessed it, giraffes. The next takanga holds my sister. Nah, I'm just joking. These are the makimaki, or monkeys. I bought them a maika, or banana. The next is hipohipo, or hippos. Here are the mokomoko, or reptiles. And next is their older cousins, the araketa, the alligator, and the karakataira, crocodile. I don't actually know if they're the older cousin. Someone will have to fact check that. Now to the other types of ngeru, or cats. The first is the taika. Yep, you guessed it, the tiger. That's what Taika Waititi's name means. Tiger. The next is the tita, or cheetah. And last but not least, the arewhana, the elephant. Koira ngā kararehe. Those are the animals you'll find at the whare kararehe, or zoo.